Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon. Here is the car show in Alvin for the train. There's a nice car show.
Oh my gosh, I know.
The car show here. Let's go start over here. Identification. There's one here.
Thank you.
There's a antique car show. Wow, it's really nice here. Man, that's a really nice car show. Tires. Chevrolet. It's 1963. Do not touch. This one here. I don't know about cars, but I'm just taking videos over here. 1940. Chevrolet, made in Kansas. Chevelle. Look at this Chevelle. This one. Trucks over here. Look at this truck. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that truck.
The green one.
Right.
1965. 1965 here.
Maybe she's back with the roll.
1965. Coming here in the car shows is not very much today. 1965 trucks. It's not very much today.